Whether you're looking to lease a new piece of property or purchase it in a multi-dwelling environment, such as condo, gated community, or maybe even a corporate office building, the challenge of looking at these properties involves the cost of having somebody there when you want them to be there, and then making sure they're available and the resources make sense to pay them so there's enough people that can come through at that particular time. That's almost impossible. And a company online recently figured this out called PropTech. And they have a technology that allows not only the scheduling of property, the actual touring, what we'll call self-touring without an agent, and then the signing of the lease or purchasing all without a human person. And even the, let's say, procedure of conducting the credit check is all done electronically.